Okay, so we're going to scrape some metal up after we banged it.
All right.
Okay, so once you bang your metal and you cut it up a little bit, then you can...
You can cut it up.
Then you can cut it more, and then you bend it. You bend that baby.
And straight this baby.
Okay, I think we should stop calling it baby. It's getting weird. Baby?
Yes, it's gonna work. What you said.
Okay,
When I said it, I were fine.
Okay. So now we're soldering. What is this going to be, actually? It looks like it's like a snake bracelet. Snacelet?
I don't know. It could be a straw.
It could be a straw,
Yeah.
but this is jewelry, so I don't know.
You know, it's like a ring, which you're gonna bend it around your finger.
It looks
and
like it.
there is gonna be the long and straight.
That's what we need in our lives, actually. We should start a new product.
Yeah.
Ring straw.
Oh,
The most
with you.
useless straw. Okay. Imagine it. Yeah, that must be the most useless thing if it's a straw that's only like this big.
You know that show when they introduced the business idea?
Oh
or
yeah,
some
Shark
invention or
Tank.
something?
Yeah.
And so we should come with.
We should definitely come with
Yes.
that. That'd be fun.
So, would you give us money for this invention?
Yeah, well, you're our investor. We're trying to pitch this idea to you. Have you ever thought, whoa, this straw is way too long? Well, guess what? We have Short Straw by Archie 5. Okay.
Archie 5 straw.
This looks kind of pretty.
Yeah. For me, I already saw this technique when you first put it in some gum or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
I forgot how to speak. Sorry, guys.
It's okay, we forgive you.
Yeah, that's not the first time. I think you already get used to.
What is this thing now?
I don't know. Looks like.
Like a claw.
Yeah.
I'm always suspicious of them because they like to do dragons, they like to do flowers, they like to do everything. So it's a nice.
In general, they like to do everything.
They just do everything. 5 Minute
Yes.
Crafts and Woodmood and all those guys like to do different stuff.
I kind of like the idea of this ring, and the technique how they did it with this spiral thing, and after that they bend it.
Ah, wow.
Oh, it's a marble.
My thing is, like, you can't have a ring like that unless you are like a psychic or like have powers. Because otherwise, what's the point, You can't just be like Bob the banker and have that ring.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, cut off your wire.
That's cool. It looks like a big machine though, like that you need. And it doesn't look very adjustable to the size, so. One specific wire. Make a whole machine for one wire.
If you do it on the all time,
If you have the same sized wire all the time, then yeah.
Okay,
But if you're a handyman, you're not likely to have. Why do we have a banana? Why do we have banana?
Sorry?
It's making me hungry. Sorry, I just totally distracted. Oh wow, now it's banana cake and I'm even hungrier. I want to put everything in my mouth right now. In the video.
Red banana. What is this banana for? I mean, as a mold of what?
As a mold of. I have
what?
literally no idea. What is happening?
I don't know. It's like
He's just bored and he was like, oh, I have too much for lunch. I guess I'll use this banana to make a mold of something.
Okay, get rid of this thing.
Why are you drilling into the mold?
Okay, they gonna pour some metal for sure inside. That metal which they
I have
got.
many questions.
How many exactly?
7.
7. Okay.
Question 1. What's the meaning of life? Question 2. How do I get a girlfriend? Question 3. Anatomically, when we're talking about like my left arm, is it my left arm from my perspective or my left arm from your perspective? If you're like a biologist looking at a book and you see a human and he's facing you, are you saying the left arm is his left arm or your left arm?
I think your arm.
Yeah.
That's you're looking at the picture, right?
Next question.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm gonna take a break from the question. So we're making a metal banana.
Metal banana. It's what you need to taste, right?
Yep, I don't know. Metal? I don't know. It doesn't look edible enough.
Depends on the metal, I guess. At least you can.
Right?
I'm sorry.
It's kind of weird.
This looks very strange. Yeah. Okay, we're painting the banana, making it look like banana. We're gonna fool a guy so bad. He's gonna pick it up thinking it's a banana, probably me, bite into it, and it's gonna break all his teeth.
Okay.
All right, burning that. Nice. Wood oil.
Wood oil.
Oil.
Would it be oil?
I don't know.
Oh, it's
my
a
gosh,
hammer.
it's a hammer. No! 5 minute crafts, you're making me crazy. You're making me go insane.
It's kind of fun, actually.
No.
But
Don't make excuses for them.
No excuses.
Don't make excuses for them.
Oh,
That's a waste of a watermelon.
Be careful. We
But you did it.
did it. We tested, and actually we get a nice shape there,
That's
but
good.
only for experiment, right?
Exactly.
Yes. So we make it. You don't need it.
Exactly.
It's a waste of watermelon. That's true.
But it's sometimes you have to use one resource so that you can make something beautiful.
Yes, it's what we do.
So some would say that by drawing on a piece of paper, you're wasting the piece of paper. But no, I say you're creating.
Wow, Flint.
Yeah,
Wow, awesome.
yeah,
You solve us.
exactly. I solved the problem of wastage. Thank you, world. You're welcome, world. Okay, so we got, what are they doing here? Ooh, a hand.
But what's a wire around? What? Oh, whoa. It looks like.
I love that.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Let's shake.
Yeah.
So
So I can open doors and practice my handshakes.
exactly.
That's a businessman's door. Okay, so
Brush.
we got a nice brush. It looks very sharp. He was like, ow, 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 ow.
I wouldn't use it.
Just hold it for the shot. One sec.
Yeah. Is it a ring?
It looks like a ring, maybe an
Oh.
engagement ring.
Maybe no.
Maybe not.
Is it a chair?
But it's gonna be a very flimsy ring,
Yeah.
right? Like it bends the metal, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so
you can adjust it maybe.
yeah, you can adjust the ring. That's good.
But you also can bend it on your finger and it will run.
It's flexible. Your wife won't be happy, but it's flexible.
You're flexible.
Okay. You better be flexible if you're gonna give that to your wife, because you're gonna have to run away really fast, hide somewhere.
Yeah. Then do it. Then do it.
Ooh, okay.
Uh,
Orbeez in the
Orbeez.
watermelon.
Watermelon.
More aluminum in the watermelon with the Orbeez.
Wow, we did it without Orbis.
I want to see it with the Orbeez.
That should be awesome. We did separately with the Orbis. And it
Ooh.
was,
You should do it with the Orbeez.
wow.
That looks cool.
Wow. Okay, should we try it? Write us in the comments.
Let us know.
Let us know. Oh,
Ooh.
they should.
They put the
Wow.
tin inside that, and it looks like alien meteoroids, I guess.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. It didn't make
Yeah.
sense to me, but all right.
They warm it up to make it straight.
To make it straight. Okay, okay.
I guess so. What is
Bismuth.
bismuth?
It looks cool. It's like rainbowy effect.
Wow.
Because of the way the light
Uh-huh.
hits it, it reflects differently, and even though it's one solid color, it looks to us as many different colors.
That looks awesome.
Wow.
It's expensive metal, yes.
I would assume it's probably a little expensive because it looks so cool. You know?
Yeah. If something looks cool,
Then it's expensive.
Yeah.
That's just how it works.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. So we got, it looks like a wheel, like a pirate ship wheel.
But not the best costume, I guess.
No,
If
not
you-
really. Maybe if they shave it a little
Yeah,
bit afterwards.
mhm.
And a cup.
It's definitely
Yeah, it's a cup.
cup. Yeah. Okay.
What are we using this for? Is it avocado
Oh. Okay.
and a fist? So you can fist bump your bro. Practice your fist bump. And heavy.
Yeah. And with this as well.
Yeah,
By the way,
yeah.
yeah, it's kind of. I mean.
You don't like your hammer? You don't like your pliers? Well, now you have ham liars. Clamor.
That looks. So, I don't know.
That's like the scariest dad ever. It's like, Dad, do you have any tools? Yeah, let me just get my plammer. Your what? My plammer.
Yeah.
Dad, why don't you have
hammer.
anything normal? Why don't you have just normal tools? He's like, no, let me just get my
They're too boring.